Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the duration of photos and videos. Okay, so only photos on TikTok. So make sure that do watch the video completely in order to learn it perfectly. Okay, so here just open the TikTok application. After that, okay, so wait a few seconds. Okay, now click this plus icon to create a video. So here I'm choosing some photos, so just click on this upload icon to okay. Now what you have to do here, I'm selecting some pictures. So let's say, okay, so these three pictures I'm selecting and a video with that. Okay, so let's choose this video with these pictures. So that's click next to proceed, and okay, so now what you're gonna do that click this adjust clip icon in the right corner right here. Okay, so click that icon. So you can see the TikTok editor is appeared. Now just delete the video by hitting the delete button, and now you will be able to adjust the length of your photos. From here you can adjust the length of any of your photos. So let's reduce the length of this picture. Okay, so no, this picture. Okay, so just I'm reducing here the picture to 1.5 seconds. So our video is ready. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and do also like the video and turn the notifications on for all the latest videos of our channel. I will be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.